Welcome back to the channel of Frunk.at. About 2 months ago we introduced the prototype, the Frunk, for the Fiat 500. Back then it was still 3D printed, but now it's finished, ready for mass production and delivery. We also have a bag with us, which is available as well, in case anyone wants one. A quick word about the product. It's manufactured using thermoforming technology with high-quality flame-retardant ABS Vero material. In this version it comes with a net where you can store items underneath or in between. It's delivered with stainless steel screws, so nothing can rust. Rubber buffers are carefully attached to the back so that you can easily place the frunk onto the existing mount securely. I'd say let's just install it now. Simply thread the frunk in, carefully guiding it into position, then gently place it onto the designated mounting pegs, ensuring a secure and stable fit. Once it is resting on the pegs, firmly press it down until it is fully engaged. Double check that it's completely secure and stable, confirming it is properly installed, and with that, you're done with the installation process. Now let's proceed to load it up with your items. Let's go back to the trunk and see what all fits inside. Like with many others, or maybe not, but for most people, at least for me, the trunk always looks pretty messy. Now, I really have to meticulously clear out this entire area first so that I can gain full access to all of the various items and belongings. We definitely want to securely store the primary charging cable and quite possibly also the essential emergency charging cable. Perhaps, with a bit of careful arrangement, we can even manage to fit in the compact umbrella and the crucial safety vest as well. Let's carefully assess if we can also comfortably accommodate the additional highly visible warning triangle in this space. So we can conveniently store the essential emergency charging cable in the specially designed optional bag. You probably won't find yourself needing it all that often, so it's quite effectively and securely stowed away. For instance, if you choose to keep it neatly tucked under the robust luggage net, you'll discover that it fits perfectly and snugly there, providing an ideal storage solution. Then the Type 2 charging cable. A heavy-duty version for 3-phase charging. Just put it in. It's best to place the thicker plug into the recess at the bottom, and then it fits nicely. Then if you like, you can carefully and efficiently put any additional items you wish to securely store into the robust and flexible net. There, it looks exceptionally good, perfectly organized, and ready for transport. And if you feel inclined, you can also thoughtfully add the essential warning triangle, along with other crucial safety items or personal belongings, ensuring everything is neatly contained. There, it is now completely and securely loaded up, prepared for your journey. Close the hood. That's it, ready to go. And now the trunk is finally free for the important things, for shopping, for other stuff. As I said, I'd like to refer you to the video regarding the features of the Frunk. What is the material quality like? Does water maybe get in at the car wash or when it rains? Yes, we'd like to take a closer look at the installation instructions. Just go ahead and watch the other video. We've linked it, and then you can get started right away. Thanks for joining in. See you next time. Yours, Joseph.